special for the Green Monster. I'm Abby, that's Lizzie, and this is special guest, Dad!
Well, thank you for having me. Can you guys get my sunglasses for me?
We'll take care of that. Lizzie will do it first.
Oh no. Oh,
Ah,
no.
perfect.
Ah!
Yippee, yippee! My team.
I don't know if this is really doing it.
This is gonna help.
Oh yeah, totally.
Perfect. I think so, Lizzie. That felt good.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me. And my eye black.
Let's get started.
All
Yeah!
right. What are we doing today?
So, we're going to be making Wally the Green Monster, the Red Sox mascot.
Large green pom-poms.
So, the materials are
Large green pom-poms, tiny orange pom-poms, googly eyes, orange pipe cleaner, black felt, red or blue felt. Scissors, hat, hot glue gun, safety pins, B for Boston sticker.
Is that these right here?
these.
So how did you girls come up with this Girl Scout swap?
Well, me and Lizzie were supposed to go to Girl Scout Day at Fenway to see a Red Sox game a few weeks ago, but it's canceled, sadly. So, we decided that we could make Wally the Green Monster swaps instead.
Nice. Oh yeah, like Mom's?
Yeah, the old
The
version.
original?
Now he's big eyebrows.
And he has an orange
And-
nose.
Yeah, now he has an orange nose. He used to have red. So, let's get started. We grab one Pom Pom, the big green one, and then you get 2 googly eyes, maybe this size, or maybe a tiny bit bigger, or a tiny bit smaller. This is good. And then we need the hot glue gun.
Okay. You
I
know-
think those might be the peel and sticks.
Oh wait, no, we don't need the hot glue gun. It's the peel and stick. Oh, this is gonna take a sec. I'm really bad at peeling these, by the way.
I think I have one.
What? I got it. So close.
And then just stick one on.
Stick one on, and then the other one can be very close.
It's like a...
That doesn't have to be touching, but it can be. And you push it on so it stays.
So it looks like this.
Dad's still
I'll zoom in.
working on it.
Okay, yep, I got it.
There we go.
Oh.
Not again. And
There we go.
perfect. Doo-doo.
Looks like
And
Oscar the
then
Grouch right now.
we get
That's what Mom said before.
the pom-pom. And
Orange one?
black felt. Get some scissors.
Thank you.
That's yours. Those are your scissors. You get the big ones.
So make sure you're explaining to Dad what you're doing. You're gonna do what?
Cut
Tiny
Cut
strip.
tiny strip,
a black
Yep.
and then you can do scissors.
and
Should I zoom in on someone?
Yeah. Cut the strip.
Make sure it's nice and thin.
It can be less than, and then it's like way less than an inch.
Right, so I'm gonna show it here.
you put this on.
These too thin or?
No, the thinner the better.
Okay, there we go.
Lizzie, you might want a thinner one, honey.
Here, I have one. Which one is
One
mine?
stick.
And then you want to put the black on first before the nose. Or the nose, it's gonna look like this. That would be weird.
That would.
It would be like
Oh, you put it
his
under his
paint
nose?
is on his nose also. Wow.
And then you put the nose on top?
Yeah.
But you have to glue
you
it.
need to
To
glue
glue
it. You need to glue the black.
Oh, okay.
And you just glue this.
I like to do the glue on the Pom Pom.
Oh, whatever.
Yours doesn't matter.
And the nose on the top,
Yep.
in the middle, right there.
Yeah.
Where's that? Oh, there it is. Like this?
Exactly.
Daddy's looks funny because his eyes are so far apart.
Whatever, it's fine.
It looks like Groucho. All right.
That's like the Grinch.
Let me see the nose. Show me abs. Where are we at? So what does that black? What is it? It's like,
It's the eye black like that.
It protects the sun from the eyes.
Glare, right?
Yeah, so it goes more towards the black instead of their eyes when they play.
right.
Then for
And
the
then
mouth,
we got to get
What do we use for the mouth?
the black again.
What shape?
You want to make it be like less than a half a circle, but not
Okay.
too thin.
Okay. Is this too big or is that a good size?
Yeah, that was kind of good.
Try on his face and see how he looks.
It's such a big mouth.
That's a big one. I'll trim his mouth.
How many times have we met Wally?
Maybe 5?
10.
Around 5 to 10-ish. 5 to 7.
Actually, that's a pretty good guess, Abby.
Because we've been to a lot of games, so
And now we know when to find him.
yeah.
And then glue.
Yeah. Hot glue.
May I?
Yeah.
So lovely.
How's Dad doing?
Fine. The
Yeah.
carrot ran away.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. When we were at the Pirates baseball game, their mascot was a parrot. Me and my mom tried chasing it, but it kept skateboarding away. Wait, no, scootering away from us. It was so mean.
agree. Let's see Daddy's. Zoom in. It's pretty good. He's missing something, I feel.
A hat.
Yeah.
No, the eyebrows.
I'm gonna glue it on here.
The eyebrow. You gotta cut a tiny piece like this.
There we go.
You want me to hold it? So, oh, there you go. Nice work.
And then you gotta bend it a little.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, and then you gotta glue it to his head like that.
Mine is a little bit poofy.
Let me see, Bri. Daddy's is funny. How's yours, Abby?
This is funnier than that one.
And then you cut out a tiny shape like a hat.
That's optional, we decided.
Yeah.
Or you can make a flag
I feel like
with a bee on it.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can leave it plain.
Yep.
excellent.
What do you want to do?
I'm making a flag.
A flag?
A little pennant.
A pennant or a hat dad.
I'll do the hat.
The hat's tricky. We couldn't get it to work.
Can I use this example that you've
Sure.
already done?
Sure, I'll show people here. That's a tiny felt hat that we attempted.
And you can put a bee on it.
But the bee might be too big.
And then how
Yeah.
do you...
I don't know, we couldn't decide, so let's see what you come up with.
Thinking about like putting it there and then just putting a tiny group there. Mine, I'm leaving plain.
Let me see your little guy.
I'm gonna wing it.
Hey, buddy!
And then,
It's all about the nose.
yeah.
That's on his eyebrows. So it's on his eyebrows.
Let me
That's
see.
on his eyebrows.
Well, we don't know if those are eyebrows or hair.
Both. I'm calling it both.
I can make him move. Hey, how are ya?
Lizzie, how did you make your flag?
Monster.
I cut out a triangle, like the gnome hat, but tinier.
Yeah.
And then we cut out the bee.
Yeah.
So close.
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Perfect.
Hey, how are ya?
Let's see Dad's.
Hey, how are ya? There we go. It's on there.
Now,
It's on there for
gonna
good.
do her. The blue one.
So what are you doing, Lizzie?
Putting the glue on. And I'm doing the bee on because it wouldn't stick on.
Oh.
And then glue it like this. Just a tiny bit in the corner.
Push it on nice and hard.
And then you get a safety pin. And you clip it on right here. Close it.
And you know, they don't need to be perfect, right? Because you guys made them. Do you think people from New England will know what these are?
No.
Yeah.
I don't know about
Some of them.
I don't know.
Some. I'm not sure.
And then if you guys were in that parade, we could have given them away to girls that you met, right? That could have been
Yeah.
fun.
Parade at the game.
All right.
Great job, girls. Thank you for showing me how to make them. Oh, hot coat. Thank you.
We apologize to you for all the scaring in the past days and everything. So we made something in honor of Patriots Day that we think you might like.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What is
I'll
it?
be right back.
Yeah! Hey, man.
Careful, careful.
Where's my Yes!
Downstairs. Do you want to go?
Awesome,
What
girls.
do you think it is? Something-
Is it a Boston cream pie?
Oh yeah.
Why is it a Boston cream pie?
Because
It's marathon day.
it's marathon day.
It's true. Thank you, guys. This is awesome. Now, where's my fork? And
We're
where's
having
yours?
It tonight. We're having it tonight.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Thanks. I guess the scaring was worth it.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Thanks for watching. Bye. the green monster. I'm Abby. This is Lucy. Only two abs and Lucy.
Remy, stop bothering them. You're gonna get a scare later.
No, Lizzie! God!
Ready?
Dad,
Boston
cream pie!
So good!
So good! So good!
Boston cream pie! So
So
good!
good! So good! So good!
Oh no.
Ah!